Okay, for the day one, I'm starting with the topic arithmetic sequence. And series. What is arithmetic sequence? Every next consecutive term is coming with a constant difference. That is called as the arithmetic sequence. So for example, if I'm writing a number say 2, 5, 8, 11, the difference between the next term and the previous term, that is 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3, and so on, because we are going for infinite. So this sequence is called as the arithmetic sequence because you can see the difference is constant. So how do we define the arithmetic sequence? What are the terms they use? The first term in arithmetic sequence is denoted by U1. As you see, every difference is a constant, which is a common difference. Which is denoted by small d is next term minus previous term. So in this case, the difference is next term is u2 minus u1 is same as u3 minus u2 is same as u4 minus u3 is continuous. So that is why this is called as a common difference. Now here I know first term is 2, second term is 5, third term is 8, fourth term is 11. So right now if I'll ask you randomly to find out 100 term or 120th term or any other term, you cannot write all the terms up to 100. It is a time consuming. So to find out any term, we use a formula UN. U stands for a term, N stands for nth term, is equal to U1, that is first term, plus N minus 1 in bracket times D. This formula is given in your formula booklet. So you don't need to remember this. Now comes with the last two formulae. That is called the addition formulae. There you can find out the difference between sequence and series. When you see the sequence, every next term is shown with the comma between them. The same sequence, if I am writing in addition or subtraction in between them, then it is called as a series. For example, if I am writing 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus ... then this is called as the arithmetic series. Not necessary it has to be positive, it can be a negative also, where all terms are negative. Why arithmetic? Because again the difference is constant. And why series? Because the middle sign is positive or negative. So again, if I'll ask you to find out the sum of first 10 terms without adding them, to find out the sum of 100 terms without writing them, so you need to use the formula Sn, where S stands for sum, n stand for n is equal to n over 2 times 2 times u1 plus n minus 1 times d, where n is the number of term. If I'll say 100 term, then n value is 100. u1, as I said, it is the first term. N, as I said, it is a that term. If I'll say 100, then n value has to be 100. And difference we are finding because it is given, which is 2 plus 5 plus 8. So difference is 3. So when you know all terms on the right hand side, you can find out sum of 100 terms, sum of 50 terms, sum of whatever terms they are saying, they are asking. There is another formula. For that purpose, if your sequence is 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus dot dot dot, say 20, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 20. I want to find out all these terms. I'm not giving you middle terms. So in this case, you know your first term is u1, your difference is constant, which is 3, and you know your last term is 20. So you need to first find out the which number of term is 20. Once you know that, then you can use this formula n over 2 times u1 plus un. So these are the formulas are given in your formula booklet. First is the term formula, second is sum formula, and third also a sum formula. Now we will start with the actual problems.